When you enter the Amsterdam Museum, you step into a dialogue about the future of our city. Peeled is my contribution, inviting you to reflect on vitality and hidden value. Just like the layers of an orange peel, our lives hold stories worth preserving. This piece asks, what do we discard that actually sustains us? Art can change how we see the world. If Peeled speaks to you, share it. More than an orange peel, it's about life, aging, and value. I hope it makes you look at orange peels in a new way. So the Amsterdam Museum has created a voting system to ask which wish for the future appeals to you the most. Are you as inspired by orange peels as I am? You can vote for this project in the museum when you come and visit. There's a little voting booth just very close to the exhibit. Or online, you can vote for Peeled number 18 by sending an email to refresh@amsterdammuseum.nl. The subject line: Ik stem op Peeled. De voeding die we overzien. Thanks so much.